And now, frogs, I'm taking you to see my friend the spider. And he is woven, you can barely see it there next to those green leaves. He's woven a web so that he can catch his dinner. There he is, right on the pole there. He's not moving because he's waiting for something to land there, right there in his nest. And we will look at that tomorrow. I have to be very careful not to disturb him. So we're going to see if we can find another spider. I came out here to get my watering can. Look, there's another slug coming, going. I'm going to put him down here. I don't want him on my flowers because he'll eat holes in them. They're very hungry now. And the slugs are having a lot of baby slugs. This plant had a lot of bugs on it that I washed over, but I don't think this plant is going to live. See how yellow the leaves are? This is what happens when the little aphids begin sucking all the juices out of the plants because they're very hungry at this time. So we're going to go back here. Look at the tomato plants. See if there are any spiders that we can look at. No. This is where they like to go, on the fence. But I don't see any. We're walking by a honeysuckle plant. It has a lot of flowers. But let's look up here on this fence post, because spiders love places like this for their webs. I'll have to come and search for one. Look, there we go. There's the itsy bitsy spider. See him? Right up there. There. And he's going to make a web. And that's all. We're going to stop right there.